very much, sir. We have the chairman of the Owerri Chamber of Commerce, Industry, Mines and Agriculture, Mr. Everest. Mr. Everest, you are welcome. How do you do?
I do. Thank you, everyone. Sorry that I came a bit late. Thank you.
Yeah. So better late than, how they say, better late than never. So you are welcome. We've expected you because we know we need to learn a lot about business from your wealth of experience. Now, talking about sound, as I said earlier, Mr. Everest runs one of the biggest diagnostic centers in the eastern part of Nigeria, the Everett Diagnostic Center, and it does a lot of ultrasound. So as starting shots, let me ask each of you, you've all had some experience with the Benin ultrasound workshop. For you, Mr. Okpara, how has the Benin ultrasound workshop been of value to you?
Well, it's been a great one. That has really created a lot of positive impact, to our business. Of course, we sent our team there severally for training, and when they came back, the first time they came, that was a few years back, a lot of things changed in our facility, and then standardization. That was the most important thing that took place when they came back, and our reporting pattern, everything changed, accuracy increased and all that. Doctors, referring doctors, increase confidence in our result. Okay, the patient that visit our pregnant women, because of course we receive a lot of pregnant women who come here for their scan and their spouses and all that. Our reporting pattern, the accuracy of our result and all that actually made them build a lot of confidence in our services. So it's been a great one. It's been a great one. We have no regret ever partnering with your organization. It's a great one.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Maybe I'll ask Dr. Okoye the same thing. He has contributed in making sure that the program continues over the years. Just for the records, Dr. Okoye in the last 2 years has sponsored all the bags that have been used at the workshop, totaling over ₦1 million. I want to thank you very much. So at your parting shot, sir, what value has the Benin Ultrasound Workshop added to your service?
Oh, well, the training in Benin, I first experienced it, and I knew it was something I had to pass on to our staff. And just like Opera had said, it changed a lot of things. Most importantly, it gave all the staff who have been to that training an increased confidence in what they do. And the accuracy in reporting has gone up so much, and that encourages your clients to keep coming back. And the people who refer these women to you to keep sending them back to you. And we believe in continuous training for our staff. And as long as the Benin ultrasound training continues, we will keep training and retraining our staff, sending them to Benin every year, and they're all connected to this webinar too. So they are watching so that they will equally learn from this webinar. So we will keep coming to Benin to keep improving on what we have learned and what we have seen in the field.
Thank you very much, sir. It seems Constance was lost because of network, but we want to say a big thank you to all of you. Medicine is not just all about treating the patient and doing cesarean sections. If you do it and you don't have money to survive the system, it won't work. So this has been carefully chosen, and all the persons that we chose, as you would have listened to them, they are great men, not just practitioners, but they are also entrepreneurs. They were carefully chosen from different parts of the country, from the east, Owerri, an Igbo man, obviously, And then going to Abuja, we met another Igbo man there. And it will surprise you that going to Sokoto too, we also met an Igbo woman in Sokoto. So you would understand that these Igbo men, they have taught us a lot of wonderful skills today. Just on a final note on this session, I want to also say a big thank you to Mr. Okpara, who sent a message yesterday that he will be willing to also assist in these webinars. For the records, the Benin Ultrasound Service is essentially running this webinar at its cost, and he's doing it as his own way of making sure that our people maintain some mental state. We intend to continue it. So fix your calendar. Very, very important topics for the subsequent weeks. The next topic is a very important one as well. It's one that has to do with training and practice. And we had somebody who was with us last week, and we're going to also call upon him. So let me quickly look for his CV, which is quite intimidating as well. And then, okay, that's fine. That's just a minute. Yes. So permit me at this point now to introduce Mr. Idris Zahidi. He's from Egypt. He was with us last week and gave us the first set of lectures. He's a biomedical engineer who specialized in medical imaging. He also has a PhD in public health management and also has done a lot of work in advanced clinical applications. He's one of the leaders for such in women health ultrasound in Africa from the GA Healthcare. And he's also a specialist in clinical applications, especially in imaging. He has over 8 years experience of working with GA Healthcare. He has always been a friend of our program and our workshops. As you all know, we try to make sure we get people from different parts of the world to assist in making sure that we achieve our aim of passing down information and knowledge.